How to import images from URL in Odoo. Odoo Import Images from URL helps to import photos straight from URLs, CSV files, and Excel files that have mapped fields and URLs. You can add a mapping field and link to CSV or XLS files by selecting the mapping field option. You can manually add or change the picture URL for a particular object, such as a product, customer, or supplier. Importing images directly from URLs into Odoo using CSV or XLS files can be a complex task due to the nature of image data and the limitations of these file formats. This module helps to import images from CSV or XLS using URL easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Odoo tips and tutorials.